Hi, and welcome to another video in the Sobriety Hack series with me, Gail from Sober Bliss. Today I want to teach you a really effective, simple yet powerful technique for dealing with stress and difficult emotions when you're not drinking. The thing is with alcohol, when we're feeling stressed or angry or anxious, then we believe that, just by having a glass of wine or a couple of beers, then alcohol makes us feel better. It solves our problems and it does this quickly. In reality, all it does is just squash them below the surface or make us forget them, for a while at least. And then when the alcohol wears off, the problems come back up again. The feelings, the emotions that you managed to squash previously come back up, and often they come back up stronger. And one thing that people ask me a lot is, how can I deal with these emotions, these feelings quickly and effectively? So I'd like to teach you a really powerful technique that you can do anywhere. You might have heard of it already, and it's called the R.A.I.N technique. Now, the R.A.I.N technique stands for recognize, allow, investigate, and non-identification. So what does that mean? Okay. First thing to do when you have this feeling, this strong emotion, is to just recognize it. Ask yourself, what is it I'm feeling? How am I feeling? Am I angry? Am I upset? And what does that feel physically? Am I hot? Am I sweating? Do I have a headache, or my palms sweating? Do I feel cold? So just recognize what is happening physically and emotionally. The second thing is to allow. So just allow that feeling to happen. And I know it could be a bit difficult. You don't want negative feelings and emotions to come over you, but you just have to allow them to happen. You don't have to like them, but the important thing is not to engage. Don't try and, talk yourself through them. Just allow them to wash over you. Okay, now we need to investigate. So why is it happening? Why am I feeling angry? Are my kids misbehaving? What can I do about that? Have I had a bad day at work? What went wrong? Or have I got lots of debt piling up? Or have I had an argument with my husband or whatever? So investigate and get to the root of why it's happened. Try and work it out. So you've recognized it. You've allowed the feeling just to happen, and now you're investigating why it happens. And all of this can be done within a couple of minutes. So once you've done that, the next step is non-identification. And this is important. And non-identification simply means that you are not your emotion. So if you're feeling angry right at this moment, it doesn't mean that you're an angry person, or that you're going to spend the rest of the day angry at everybody and everything. This is just happening quickly. It will pass. If you're upset, it's for a reason which you've worked out, and then you can discover what you can do to get over that. You won't spend, the rest of the afternoon crying or hurt. You will manage to get over it without alcohol. So there we have it. Recognize, allow, investigate, and non-identification. It might take you a couple of attempts to work through this properly. And if you like, if you're somewhere quiet, you can write all these things down as they're happening. And breathe through the whole process. So take it slowly, think about it, and just feel the emotions, and then let them pass. I find this technique really, really powerful, and the people that I've worked with, once we've practiced it a few times, it does help. And as I said, it can be done quickly and anywhere. So if you've tried this before, let me know how it went. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and for more regular updates, hints and tips, sign up to this Sober Bliss newsletter. The link is below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.